So you can hear that there's an audio clip here in Adobe Audition. Let us hear that out to sound how it sounds. This is a robot sound. So now what I want to do is I want to convert it into a robotic sound effect. In order to do that, I can simply go into effects right here, and then I can go into modulation, and over here I'm going to choose flanger. Once I do that, you can see that you can select a bunch of presets. So let me just go over here, and here I want to select robotic. So let me just select that out, and I'm going to place my cursor over here, and I'm going to play it to hear how it sounds. This is a robot sound. So you can hear that it sounds like a robotic sound, but not enough. In order to do that, I'm going to increase the modulation rate all the way up, and let us hear how that sounds now. This is a robot sound. But what I want is, since I want it to be a bit of a metallic sound, I want to increase the feedback as well. So I'm going to increase this quite a bit now, and let us hear that how it sounds. This is a robot sound. So that's too much of a feedback, so I'm just going to reduce that a bit and hear how that sounds now. This is a robot sound. Alright, so this is the one I want. Once you're happy with the output, you can simply press apply, and the robotic sound effect has been applied. And now I'm going to increase the volume as well, and let us hear how that sounds now. This is a robot sound. Alright, so that is the final result of the robotic sound. So that is how you can create a robotic sound by using the effects in Adobe Audition. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.